Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show you today what is a beautiful 3-bedroom detached farmhouse with 4,300 square meters of land that we're actually showing you at this moment in time. To the right, we'll see it a bit later on, but you can see the pool, swimming pool, and also to the right later on again, place to park, kitchen garden. This has the lot. So we're now on the first floor at the rear of the house, and I'll show you the terrace here. Okay, a large terrace with beautiful views and very close to the kitchen. So if you want alfresco dining, prepare it in the kitchen and enjoy it here. Okay, let's go in the kitchen. The windows and doors are aluminium double glazed, and we're in quite a spacious kitchen, as you can see. Has a pitch roof, and we have delightful colour. I love that colour for the base units and the wall units. Let's go over to the far side, and we'll start with the oven. This has a 5-ring hob, gas ring hob, a hot plate to the right, and an electric oven. So it's a combination of the two. Door to the outside here. Let's go round. There's the extractor. Come round again, nice and slowly, so you can see what's what. Belfast sink with mixer taps. The work surface here is polished granite. Nice, very nice. And it combines with the beautiful sky blue units to the right. It's big enough to have this kitchen table, which would have 6 chairs with it. So it is in fact a kitchen diner. Okay, so out we come here. Right, by the side of the kitchen is what the owners call a snug. Now this is an area in between the kitchen and what is the biggest master bedroom that could easily become another 4th bedroom. And I'll show you why. If you were to put a partition here that goes across the room to here, then you could make another bedroom, and it would be a double bedroom. Okay, but as of now, it's a room in between the kitchen and what you will see now, the very large master bedroom. So through the hardwood double doors, we come into the master. Huge space here. Absolutely wonderful. This is now at the front of the property. We have double wooden doors with shutters that open onto the country lane in front, where we have hardly any traffic at all. Believe me, there is a bit of a buzz at the moment. There's a gentleman over there. He's strewing his vineyard. Okay, let's have a look at this bedroom. We have a what the Portuguese call a flutuante floor, which is a laminate floor, a good quality laminate floor. And in here also we have a wood burner stove that you don't get in many bedrooms. That would be lovely for the winter months. Okay. So a double bed in here. Yeah, you could get another 3 or 4 double beds in here. Okay, across from the bed is, let me see, this is a closet, a walk-in closet. That, believe me, I have not got access to this at the moment. but believe me, there's plenty of space in there. To the right, we have the ensuite bathroom. Just show you the ceiling, high ceilings by the way. It looks like to be about 2.8, 2.9. A wonderful cast iron bath with clawed feet here, as you can see. And the bath also has a mixer shower. Across from the bath is the WC, a period style wash hand basin on pedestal, and the radiator from the central heating. Okay, so out we go from here, and this is that huge bedroom again. Wonderful. This would have to be mine if I was to buy it. So out from here, and then back into what we were describing before as what could be the fourth bedroom. We're going to turn right, and we have a central corridor. The floor is in ceramic, good quality floor tiles, as you can see. They go really well with the hardwood doors and architraves. This is just a storage area, and the second door is the toilet. Okay, so you can see the toilet later on in the photos. Okay, I'm going to now pass through into the absolutely enormous lounge. As you can see, what a lovely room this is. Full of natural light, has four windows and two doors leading out onto the terrace. Across here is the old area, a threshing circle that you can see the remnants of. It's actually in good condition. And there's a huge neshbra tree that will be fruiting very shortly. So let's come round here. We have two double doors that go onto the rear terrace, and this room also has radiators, and there's a wood burner fire that you can see here for the sometimes can get a little cool in January or February. Above the this is something I would love, a fantastic mirror directly above the fireplace. Okay, so on we go around past the TV. In the corner we have a work area for anybody still wanting to do a little bit, or if you've retired, let somebody else do it. Let me go in the corner again and show you this. Okay, wonderful room. Okay, so what I will do now, we will start on the ground floor. Let me just show you the dog taking in the sun, and I don't blame him. Okay, so let's turn around. So we'll go down this hardwood stairs. On my right, we have stone effect wall, real stone, that's been plastered on. We're going to turn right and down the corridor and turn right again. Okay, so we're now on the ground floor. We'll turn right yet again and go into what is the first of the ensuite bedrooms on this floor. It has double doors again leading onto another terrace with those fantastic views that you can see here. Well, I'm going to go outside after, but I'm going to show you the inside of the property first. Okay. So, turn around. Huge again. That bed, I think that's a 3/4 bed, but it goes nowhere in here. On the left is just a storage room behind the door here, and to the right we have fitted wardrobes to match the existing door and architraves, and into the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom has a WC, shower, mixer taps and shower head, and here is the basin, and there's an expeller. Okay, behind the door we have a tow rail that's linked to the central heating. So on we go, out of here, back into the corridor, and turn right again. And this is a bigger bedroom, ensuite once more. As you can see, those doors, double doors again, leading to the terrace. A nice 30 by 30 floor tile here in like a buff colour. Okay, I'll turn round. We have those fitted robes in hardwood again, and this is quite a big bathroom. This time we have a bath with mixer, shower, quite a good sized bath that you can see here, and we have the bidet, WC, and across the basin plus the towel rail. Okay, right, out we come from here. So this is now, don't forget, this is the first, second, third ensuite bedroom, which has a door on the left, and a surprise. We have a fully fitted kitchen, a good size fully fitted kitchen, with the door to the terrace again, full of light, natural light again. It's a beautiful property, this. 2 windows overlooking the garden. Let's show you the garden area. There it is. And this would be ideal for visiting family, friends, paying guests maybe. The units are in white, as you can see, and we have a black laminate worktop, a stainless steel sink. Looks like to be a washing machine. So it could be an independent unit for somebody who's coming to maybe granddad, grandmother, or one of a teenager. Could be. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'm going to go outside. We're now on the ground floor terrace, as you can see. I'll go to the left, and this newish property is sited on a very old farmhouse, or what was an old farmhouse. Here you can see what was the well, and we've got to right to the side of the property. I'm going to come round. What you can see in front of you, just to the right of the lemon tree, is the garage. That has an up and over door, and you'll see that from the photos, and you get the information from that later on. Here we are at the back of the house. The gardener is here at present, and the lady has just mowed this grass because it smells wonderful. That's if you like freshly cut grass. here, a huge bunch of thyme, really mature gardens that's been well kept and looked after. Okay, so we'll go on. Show that this is the ground floor terrace, and we'll go right down to the other side of the property. Let me pan round here, show you what's what. Really is a special place. No through traffic, hardly any, and not too far from Ansião. Okay, down a crushed stone drive pathway, and let's go into the area of the pool. And here's the pool with a duck in the corner. That's not doing much at the moment, and I don't think it ever will. Okay, so we'll keep going. Mind the lizards, little geckos. We'll go as far as here, and then we'll pan round, and then we'll show you the pool area and the beautiful house from the rear. To my left again, once again, mature gardens full of lots of bushes, flowers, plants, you name it, it's here. Okay, so on we go again, and now I'm going to show you the side of the property. We have a different type of flooring here. This is calçada that the Portuguese use quite a lot. Up we go to what I mentioned, the era. Here are some of the tools that's left by the gardener. This is the era, and this is the gable end of the property with that lovely Neshbra tree. Okay, we'll come round. We now pass into the kitchen garden or vegetable patch. Once again, the grass has been freshly cut, and lovely smell from it. So on we go, and to more or less the end of the property, where you can see a gated entrance, shelter for 2 cars, and off-road parking for more. Just come round here, and I think I've spotted the gardener in the distance. I'll just take you through this door. This is purely for storage, as you can see, or as you will see. A little dark in here. So, tools,